Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to have an unboxing of a Mila.Jito bag. I actually don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but her Instagram handle is Mila.Jito, and I've been following her for a while and became really interested in getting one of her bags, and I've never seen one of these in person, so I don't know what to expect when I open this, but here's the box. It finally arrived. It was supposed to take about 6 months, but for some reason or another, it was only 3 for me. I mean, I was happy about getting it in 3 months, but my bank account was not. So let's get to it. Okay, so the packaging is really actually nice. It's got a ribbon with the name. This is a black box, completely wrapped to protect in case the box it came in got wet. So that's really nice. I'm seeing the silver underneath. All right, I'm gonna open this up now. Maybe I need a scissor. Can we get this plastic out of the way? This is gorgeous. Look at this bow in this box. Look at this. I mean, this looks really, really nice. I love this packaging. It's a black box, really nicely done, but it's wrapped up in this gorgeous giant silver bow. All right, so let's see. Oh, it's double knotted here. See if I can get this open without having to cut. There we go. Right. Okay. This over here. Some air pillows to protect the bag. Here it is. Oh my gosh, look at this. Couldn't decide on the color, so my husband suggested we go with tricolor, and I went with that. So this is like a gold, and this is a burgundy, and the handles are like a chocolate. All right, let me get this box out of the way. Oh, on the bottom of the box, there was an extra with the straps. So I'm gonna take a look at that too. Just make sure there's nothing else. Okay, nothing else in there. So it comes with this harness that you put over the bag, and she did send a video to show how to put it on, so I'm gonna have to watch that and learn. And then it also has this crossbody strap. So this is beautiful. It matches the handle. It's that beautiful chocolate, and there's, look at the stitching. Amazing. So I'm very excited to play with this bag and see how it looks. Oh, and then there's this. Let me show you how this is opened. Let me see. Okay. So the way it opens, let me just zoom in a little bit. You're supposed to be able to put your fingers here, and then it opens up. It's magnetic. And here are some more air pillows that you should leave in the bag when you're not using it. And then here's the inside. I picked a red lining. So this is a custom made bag, made to order. And you get to pick everything. The lining, the colors, and if you have any specific things that you want, she'll try to accommodate you as much as possible. So this is the Mirus puffy. Oh, and I have my initials monogrammed. Here's the bottom. It's got some covers on the feet, which I'll have to take off. This is beautiful. All right, I will have a full review of this bag coming soon. I'm going to use it for a little bit, and then we'll come back with the full review. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me for your support. Thank you. This is exciting. I just love it. This leather is amazing. All right, that's it. Take care, everybody.